Good evening, everyone. Now, this is the last topic of this chapter, that is identities of algebraic expression. And these identities take a very important role in this algebraic expression. So identity the kechin borda algebraic expression ke identities the lobchen dinang identities kechin. We have four formulas and you have to mark it up, and on the basis of that formulas you are going to solve the questions. So our first identity is formula a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square means when we open this, a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is our first identity. Identity on the basis of this identity, I'll give you one example. For example, 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y. Now 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y. This is a what? Binomial. This is again a binomial. Binomial by binomial chasati. Chesam binomial by binomial pejum matanga echido. We are using identities over here. That also binomial by binomial multiplication tangsa process is long, right? So what we will do, we are just using an identity for this. That 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y dikhare common chasa. So we are writing it only once. So 2x plus 3y is a common. So we'll write it once and we can write 2x plus 3y square. Now 2x plus 3y square, it is in the form of a plus b whole square, which is the first identity. Identity thangbo dochasa. In place of a, there is a 2x. In place of b, there is a 3y. So it will become a plus b whole square ki formula dochasa. So what we will say here, by using identity a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So now we are going to solve this. So 2x plus 3y square, we are using this identity. In place of 2x there is a, in place of 3y there is a b. Okay, now in place of a square, what we will write? We will write 2x whole square. In place of b, we will write 3y whole square here, and plus 2 and a ki sab laga jore 2x re and b ki sab laga re 3y re. Now we are going to solve this. So 2x square means 2 ki square ga jore 2 ki square is 4x square plus 3 ki square. So 3 square means we are multiplying 3 2 times, right? So 3 multiplied by 3, 9. So 9y square plus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So plus 12xy. This is your answer. The identity thangbo bhejutang tada. Sharakyang anzo binomial machi wache. We are using identity and directly we will get answer. Goes to say. So this is our first property, or you can say that first identity of algebraic expression. Now our second identity is a minus b whole square. Formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now on the basis of this, again we are going to solve one question. So I'll give you one example. So your example is 4p minus 3q square. So in place of A you have a 4p, in place of B you have a 3q. Now again what you will do, you will say that therefore by using identity A minus B whole square, that is A square plus B square minus 2AB. The solve chain that the 4p minus 3q square the solve chair. So ये खाला से 4p की छबला A की छबला 4p रे यानी B की छबला करे 3q रे. So in place of A you will write 4p whole square plus in place of B you will write 3q whole square plus in minus 2 as it is. In place of A you will write 4p, in place of B you will write 3q. Now you're going to solve this 4 square. So the square of 4 is a 16. 16p square plus 3 square is 9q square minus 2 4 is a 8 and 8 3 is a 24pq. This is your answer. This is how we use the second identity. This is the example of second identity. Go to say the second identity khade phechu tang yo me tong say the formula dinso ngak to jiye khechen bore tang bo. Now we have a second last identity. Formula tama ngak to jiwo yo tang anzo ha sa. Now our third identity is A plus B, A minus B. You can write it as a A square minus B square Taylor. This is our third identity, and on the basis of third identity we are going to solve one example. So your example is suppose 6x plus 7, 6x minus 7. So this is your third identity. By using third identity, A plus B, A minus B is equals to A square minus B square. So 6x plus 7, 6x minus 7. In place of 6x, there is a A. In place of 7, there is a B. In place of 6x, there is a A. In place of 7, there is a B. Now you just directly solve it, right? So in place of A, there is a 6. So 6x whole square minus 7 square. So 6 square means 2 times of 6. So 6 is a 36x square minus 7 is a 49, and this is your answer. Goes to say the identity sumbare khalana A plus B and A minus B equals to A square minus B whole square, and on the basis of third identity we solve this question. Now last we left with the last identity, and you have to mark it up. Okay, our fourth identity is, the last identity is x plus A, x plus B, which means x square plus A plus B. Okay, I'll write once again. x plus a x plus b is equals to x square plus bracket open a plus b bracket close x plus ab. This is your fourth identity. Now on the basis of this identity, I'm going to give you one example. So suppose you have a number 501 multiplied by number 502. The 501, the 502. Now you will not directly multiply it like this. If you directly multiply like this, then it is wrong. So what you will do, you can express this 501 in the form of x plus a, and you can express this 502 in the form of x plus b. X plus a ta x plus b ki formula express cherang so ngap kya chik dik. So for 500 we can write as 501 we can write as ngap kya ngana chik dobna ngap kya chik multiply ngap kya ngala ni domna. Now see, it is in the form of x plus a, x plus b, which means in place of x there is 500, in place of x there is 500. See, same. Okay, now in place of a it's 1, in place of b it's 2. Now it clearly identify that this is a identity number 4 because you have a 2x common and your a and b are different. Now you're going to solve this by using identity. Okay, by using identity x plus a, x plus b equals to x squared plus a plus b x plus ab. Now you are going to substitute these values in this formula. So 500 plus 1, 500 plus 2. In place of x you have a 500. So 500 square plus your a is 1, your b is 2. In place of x you substitute 500 plus in place of a you have a 1, in place of b you have a 2. Okay class, now square of 500 is 25,000, right? Square of 5 is 25 and square of 20 is 4 times 0. So 25, okay. So it will become 2,50,000. So it will become 2,50,000 plus 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 multiplied with a 5 it will become 1,500 and 1 2 is a 2. Now you are going to add this. So your answer will become 2 lakh. Okay, 2 lakh. Oh my god. Okay, 2,51,000 and then 502. Your answer is 2,51,502.